We're finally getting closer to delivering the long-awaited Tesla Cybertruck to customers after years of delays. Although this electric car has not yet entered the market, many manufacturers are already offering their mind-blowing accessories that can enhance the experience of this car. When the Cybertruck does come out, the standard version will already have impressive specs, a towing capacity of 3,500 pounds, plenty of storage space, and the ability to crab walk. But what if you want to take your Cybertruck on an off-road mountain adventure, or take to the high seas? Here are some of the wildest accessories you can find for the Tesla Cybertruck that make it more than just an electric pickup truck. SpaceCampers the Wedge. From what we currently know about the Cybertruck, it will include a 6.5-foot long cargo bed with 100 cubic feet of cargo capacity. Meanwhile, the SpaceCamper mod adds more space in the rear, giving you 8 foot of space at its highest point. This mod may be quite a niche since it is exclusively for the Cybertruck. Priced at just 24 grand, the SpaceCamper mod includes 4 110-volt outlets, multiple USB ports, and 12/24 volts jacks, so you can turn it into a real living space. SpaceCamper also designed a mod with an exhaust vent to allow moisture to escape while cooking or showering, an adjustable headboard for a Murphy bed, routing to hide wires, and wall storage. Even though mattress customization is enabled by default, there are plenty of accessory kits that will further transform the mod into whatever you need. The SpaceCamper's accessory kit can transform a Cybertruck bed into a full camp, kitchen, shower, and bathroom, an isolated and more comfortable living space, an off-grid option with solar panels and roof racks, or a back rack which extends the rear door. Cyberlandr. The Cyberlandr mod is very similar to the SpaceCamper offering. For example, it also offers a foldable design and all-in-one functionality. Cyberlandr is also a living room, bedroom, bathroom, and kitchen all rolled into one, but with premium features that make it feel more like home. The most notable difference is the retractable solar panels that will allow you to charge your gadgets without draining the Cybertruck. And premium features include heated floors, a smart TV, and a surround sound audio system. But are these changes worth more than double the price? Form Camper. If you thought $55,000 was a lot for a camper mod, the Form Camper's $69,500 price tag might make you consider building your own mod for that kind of money. The seemingly similar folding design, however, has one radical difference: the carbon fiber body, which is much more spacious and lighter than the others, making this mod much easier to transport. The Form Camper even detaches completely from the Cybertruck. Well, in addition, its special feature is that it is compatible with any truck body, not just Cybertruck. Cybercat. Of course, the Cybertruck can handle off-road conditions, but it surely won't be able to swim across a lake. So if you're looking for an amphibious truck, the Cybercat is probably the only solution. The Cybercat may seem unnecessary to most drivers, but the company is doubling down and says you can even make an island out of 4 floating Cybercats. The Cybercat consists of a conversion kit that takes about the same time to assemble as it does to launch the boat. It consists of 2 pontoons for buoyancy and 1 to 5 50 kilowatts outboard motors, each powered by a Cybertruck battery. Once installed, you'll be able to move quickly and smoothly through the water thanks to the truck's adaptive air suspension. The best part is that once you land, you can disassemble the kit and store it in the back of the electric vehicle. The price is also surprising in its affordability and starts at $23,000. Cyberquad for kids. While most of these accessories and add-ons are from third-party manufacturers, the Cyberquad for kids is an all-terrain vehicle that's officially from Tesla. You may recall that the Cyberquad for kids was pulled in the US for not meeting federal safety standards, but China has gladly taken up the mantle for this potentially dangerous ATV for kids. Tesla is also working on a real Cyberquad ATV as an accessory to the Cybertruck though. D-brand Cybertruck Wrap. Since most of these mods are quite outlandish, it's strange to say that D-brand may have the most reasonable product among them. When Tesla announced the Cybertruck back in 2019 and it was revealed that it would be made of stainless steel, which is difficult to paint, the brand was quick to take advantage of the news by offering vinyl wrap options in some really funky colorways. With such a simple and straightforward solution, the brand can make your Cybertruck even more outstanding. Cybertruck Cat Nest. Tesla is no stranger to selling Tesla-branded items that have no relation to EVs. The Cybertruck Cat Bed that's being sold on Tesla China's website is the latest. It's a cardboard box with a Cybertruck-esque angles meant for cats to nestle into. It doesn't look particularly comfortable, but at least it's affordable. So, which mod did you like the most? Will you buy any of them for your Cybertruck? Share your thoughts in the comments.